Oh, here we have a pretty cool tweet of an actual IRL Tesla Cybertruck. I could use one of these in this weather, although now I'm curious about this range situation. You and I talked about how the sort of wheel tire package, not as aggressive as the Warthog thing that we had seen originally, but you knew that they might not be able to deliver that range requirements and blah, 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 driving a real car in the real street. Yeah. The side mirrors are the ones that really bug you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They don't look futuristic at all.
No. And I guess it's just we're not quite ready for the video version of them. So we still got side mirrors. We got the wiper. However, I don't think I care anymore. Like this thing looks so cool, and I'm sure it's going to be so fun and different. I just wanted to arrive already, Will.
Yeah.
I'm just down for it. I understand that the concept has been trimmed ever so slightly. Like they had to go in there and make a real car out of it to sell at scale because they're Tesla. I did a story, you probably didn't put it in because I was just reading some news prior to coming here, but about their profit margins and just how much more successful they are.
Yeah.
Oh, did you put it here?
Yeah.
Damn, you're quick, dude. Anyway, we'll get there in a moment, but they have just needed a truck for so long. Any truck, anything you can load a bunch of gear in that's a Tesla that also drives itself, that can also charge on the supercharger network, that basically behaves like a Tesla will, but instead it's a truck. You understand that? And I actually, at this point, don't even care what it looks like. It could look like a box on wheels. It could look like a cardboard box. It could be beige. Just be like, that's the Tesla truck.
That's the one.
And all of a sudden, people are going to buy it at this point because people just want a Tesla truck, don't they? And Tesla still happens to be the king for range in many cases. And I hope that they can execute with the truck in a similar fashion. And no, I wouldn't buy a cardboard box, but this is within the realm of what I would buy. And it is the one kind of argument against some of the other trucks that are out there or other electric vehicles from other makers in general is, can you hit the same range as what Tesla is doing?
Got it.
You know? And if they put one of those fat heat pipes in here, heat, whatever it is, like from their video, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Just capturing any available energy and transferring it into efficiently warming things in the cold. Like, listen, I'm an excited and excitable guy. And I'll take a Cybertruck.
Yeah.
And I wish it looked like the concept, but we're going to live with it.